move 4. But before we do move 4, let's refresh. Move 1, 2, and 3. Move 1. Wake up early in the morning, not beyond 6 o'clock. Move 2, I also call it as aqua detox, which is have half a liter of hot water. Move 3, run. Run for 30 minutes or walk for 30 minutes. Okay, starting with move 4, we will focus on every part of our body. In some sense, we're going to pamper our body. No, वो वाला pamper नहीं, ये मेरे style वाला pamper है. Okay? Now, what we're going to do essentially is look at the nut and bolt of our body. We'll see if it's in order. We'll do an oil check first thing in the morning. Okay? We'll start with move 4. We'll start with head and neck. Alright? So watch me. So it's your choice to start with clockwise or anti-clockwise. It's your choice to start and do the number of times you want to roll it. I also call this as head roll. Right? Do the number of times that you want to do it. What you will realize after you do this is a kind of tipsy, which is good. No harm early in the morning, right? Move 5. Move 5, I also call it as hand cycle, right? Now we're done with head, we're done with neck. Now these are the joints. This nut and bolt is what we have to check if it's in order. Now what you do is hand cycle. First you loosen up your hands, right hand, no, that's my right, do it, do a complete 360 degree, alright, do it, the other side, do it clockwise, anti-clockwise, the way you want to do it, just relax your joints, okay. Now once you're done with that, put both sides of the fingers on left and right. Do it anti-clockwise, clockwise. I start coming inside, right? That's how I started. Get it in. Then roll it back. Do it the number of times that you're comfortable. Okay, there's no count for this. But once you're done with this, you will feel as if your wings have opened up. You're ready to fly. I promise you on that. Move 6. I call it the tender bender. Now in simple words, touch your feet. But this move will test your ability to stretch. And it'll also give you an inferiority complex that you're not able to do one of the most simplest move. But don't give it up and make it happen. So tender, bender, touch your feet. So stretch yourself and come down and touch your feet. So do it the number of times that you wish to, and good luck. Move 7. Now, every time I have approached people and showed them this move, भगा दिया गया मुझे, लात पड़ी है, कहते हैं shameful move है, shady है, vulgar है. But I can tell you this move is effective, most effective for your back, for your spine. And इसलिए the move I call it as pelvic. Okay, the Bollywood style, pelvic. There are 2 data points to prove that it's an effective one. The first data point is that runners have this tendency of back issues because of their extensive running. I've been running for last 9 years. The second data point, people who drive extensive driving, they tend to have back issues. I've been driving for last 17 years. I might have driven about 400,000 kilometers plus, right? So focus on this step. Uh, you may find it funny, but it is effective. Okay? I wish there was a Bollywood music to go with the move. So this is how you do it. You go on your right, push it on the left, right, left. Right? Let me just do it with a different angle so that you get it more clear. Okay? Come it. Okay? It is funny. Right? It may be funny, but as long as it's effective and it's taking care of your back, focus. Happy doing it.